Hey y'all, this is Crystal from Crafty Sides Wreaths and More. I'm doing a pick tutorial, but I wanted to show how to do this one little piece because I don't think the pictures would really describe it very well. But after you get your little plastic band, cut off this, and this is just those empty ornament containers from the Dollar Tree. And I cut a 1/2-inch band off of it. And this is going to be a little snowman hat, but I want to show y'all how to put the yarn on here. I have a piece of yarn, I just wrapped it around my hand. And it's about 7.5 inches long. Make a loop, have your band, take your yarn under. Your loop will be under and on the inside, like this. Okay? Then take your pieces of yarn and go through and then pull. And this is how you make your strands for your hat. I just wanted to make that clear, and then after you get it on there, look here, just turn it over, tie a string around it, and then you got your little pom-pom on the top, and all you have to do is trim it up, and here's one. But I just wanted to show y'all how to put that on there. Thank y'all.